Is your Kia Sportage key fob not working? First, try replacing the CR32 battery. Pry open the fob carefully, replace the battery with the positive side up, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned or resynchronized with your car. To do this, try cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons in sequence. Check your owner's manual for the exact procedure or search online for your specific Sportage model year. Remember to keep other electronic devices away during the relearn process to avoid interference. According to recent Kia service data, battery issues are less common due to improved seals, but relearning is still a frequent fix. If these steps don't solve the problem, it's likely an antenna or receiver issue. If battery replacement and relearning don't resolve the issue, the problem might be with the antenna module, which receives signals from the key fob. The antenna module is typically located near the driver's side mirror or under the dashboard. Corrosion, wiring faults, or physical damage can cause it to fail. Always check for water damage, especially after heavy rain. A corroded antenna module may require professional repair or replacement, costing between $200 and $500. Kia's 2024 recall addressed faulty key fobs due to moisture ingress. Looking ahead, Kia is moving towards digital keys and smartphone integration, which reduces the reliance on physical key fobs and can eliminate battery and relearn problems altogether. By 2027, Kia plans to phase out traditional key fobs with NFC-enabled digital keys, potentially improving reliability and security.